So, earlier today, we had gotten hit with a tornado. Everyone's fine. It wasn't far, but it was pretty close. My sister-in-law, my mother-in-law, ended up coming over here because it was actually closer to their house than it was to ours. Everyone is fine, but there have been a lot of damage to some places near us, especially a town next to us got destroyed. Some people don't have power even till right now. They don't. Thank God we still do. The only thing that went out for us was the internet, but that got fixed maybe like 30, not even 30, like 40, 45 minutes. We didn't have any, but you know, it was pretty scary to know that there was a tornado that hit near us. But yeah, it's going down to Florida. I already hit Florida. I saw a couple pictures. It was pretty bad. We got to keep everyone in prayers, and hopefully, everyone is safe. Got to keep those people in prayer, and thank God, that it wasn't a lot of damage here in our town. And having said that, me and my husband are going to do a challenge for you guys today. Not having internet, there's really not much you can do. So we're going to do this challenge for you, and hopefully you guys like it, and it keeps our mind out of what's going on for right now, and it keeps us entertained. Hopefully you guys like it. And like I said, we are safe. God had us protected, and it wasn't a lot of damaging going on here in our town. And keep everyone else out there safe and in your prayers. Okay. Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back to the Card Tribe. Excuse our video, I get the hiccups. She wants to do it right now.
I'm not gonna wait until you stop hiccuping. Anyway, so today's challenge is going to be Bean Boozled! He's not very excited about it, but I am.
I'm gonna get the fart so everyone will watch.
So before we start, we're going to do it differently. We don't have a spinny thing that, it picks for you of what you want. So I'm going to read it off of what's in here, and then we'll just randomly pick whatever we pick, and let's just hope it's not the most disgusting ones we have. Okay, so the first one is spoiled milk, dead fish, rotten egg, toothpaste, barf, coconut, strawberry banana, buttered popcorn, blueberry, berry blue, peach, canned dog food, a booger, stinky socks, a stink bug, dirty dishwater, chocolate pudding, juicy pear, the tutti frutti, toasted marshmallow, and birthday cake. So
I hope you get all the bad ones and I get the good ones.
let's see. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Woo! You want to go first?
There you go.
You got both. That's cheating. Babe.
Or I could just pick and give you.
What'd you get?
I don't know.
Was it white?
Maybe booger? It wasn't juicy pear, that's for sure. I look like blue.
Okay.
Tastes like mold.
I don't think that was one of the options.
Here we go.
Just eat it.
Strawberry banana smoothie.
was nasty too.
Karma is a bitch because you wanted me to get all the bad ones.
Tastes the same. It tastes like mold.
What color was it?
The same color.
So it was juicy pear and booger?
Neither of them taste like a juicy pear.
You might just not have taste buds.
This tastes like buttered popcorn.
It's not. Not even the same color.
Oh no. Birthday cake. That's what mine was.
Oh.
Which one was that one?
Stinky socks. No, you can't put it back.
I picked it off of when you picked it. That's not fair, no.
Ugh, that one was accurate. It tastes like a smell of a stinky sock. No, finish it. Finish it. You gotta finish it. You gotta finish it. What'd you get? What'd you get? You gotta finish it. You gotta finish it. You have to. You have to. Yes. Yeah. Then this challenge is over. You have to.
Babe, I couldn't.
Okay, no more.
What? Really?
You cheated.
You don't have to finish it all.
I did. What'd you get? We
Sorry,
had to
guys.
take a break. She get tapped out already.
It was disgusting. It was rotten eggs, guys. Rotten freaking eggs.
Let's see.
Hey, Mason, you give me the one that has the freaking hole.
Grab the bag that was right there.
Some of this stuff is disgusting.
Can you give me a bag that does not have a hole, please? Thank you. No, like a plastic bag. Okay.
Up there, Mason.
Oh, no. In a pantry.
She got spoiled milk. I got rotten egg.
Oh, that's disgusting.
It's your fault. You wanted to do this.
Yes, I did want to.
Now
do
go.
this.
She got popcorn. Cheater. Stop chewing your mouth open. I think they lied on what they say because I've looked. Oh, that one even smells. What'd you get? What'd you get?
Hey, give me the bad ones in here.
I don't know,
Yo, that's a nasty thing.
but it was nasty.
You want to finish all of these?
Ugh.
Are you supposed to finish the keys?
How do people do this?
They're dead on the inside.
Which one did you get?
It's the same one I already had. Ugh. Ooh. Oh, man. I had the rotten egg one twice. It's your turn. This is her idea.
This is disgusting. I don't think we can finish this whole box. I hope it's chocolate pudding.
I think they just lie and tell you flavor. I think they're all bad.
Dog food.
That one should have been for Lonnie. She's eaten it before.
Oh. Jesus, take the wheel.
This is bad.
He's looking at you like, hey, I just started.
I'm legit throwing up food. Ugh. Guys, I'm going through my paper towel.
Ugh.
What is that? Right here.
That one's dishwater. Ugh. Ugh. How do they get these flavors so perfect?
Jason, can I get another bag, please?
Right there.
No, there is some good ones in there, but Jesus.
I ain't got one yet. Nope.
It's gonna be a booger or a juicy pear.
Nope.
Oh, hold on. Taste red. I need my tea. Can you give me my tea? Which one was that?
That one was full of milk.
No, it
Woo!
This is Justin, though.
This is disgusting. Go open the door. Breaks Emma's eating her mind.
Emma threw it.
She's throwing up probably about 3 times.
What are you guys eating? Being loose.
Go. Just eat it.
You're supposed to look them up.
No, she's
What was that one?
Dishwater. It tastes like straight up soap.
the thing is, they look the same, but they're either one or the other.
Oh man. What are these ones? Peach, barf, strawberry, or dead fish. Ooh, I hope it's not dead fish.
No, really.
Good fish?
Stop!
Mm. I don't think anyone could ever even finish the whole thing of these.
I don't think they planned for you to.
I'll throw up.
Oh god, I'm gonna have to brush my teeth like 3 times. Go. She's at least got a good one. All of mine have been bad. Dog food?
That's his second dog food.
Yeah.
You're gonna make your sister throw up.
I told you.
Are we done yet?
No, we just finished the whole box.
Do you see how many are in here?
It's okay. We go through. We're spitting them out anyways. Like we're actually eating them.
This taste is still in my mouth though.
What, did you sneeze again?
This is disgusting, guys. The nastiest thing I've ever tasted in my life. Besides him.
That's what, yeah.
No,
Toothpaste.
toothpaste.
Did you pick it?
No, I just put them all in the grate.
Y'all might just ate them.
Nope.
You get.
You didn't get rotten egg.
What did
I did. You got spoiled milk.
Oh, that was disgusting.
Oh. Oh.
Spit it out. Spit it. Juicy pear. Nasty, but it's juicy pear. What about
Good one. Now I gotta eat both.
Just gonna eat one. This looks bad. Look at that.
what was it? What was it? That fish? That smelled like fish. Ooh. That smelled like fish.
Golly.
That smells. That ooh. As soon as you open it.
This is bad.
Coconut. Please be coconut.
Hope it's spoiled milk. Spoiled milk.
Guys, this is disgusting.
Did you throw up, Tia?
Yeah.
What was it?
Spoiled What was
Hey,
it?
Mace. We have it.
What was it?
How do I keep getting that?
What is it?
It was either barf or dead fish. It's like the third time I've got that thing.
Well, they don't even tell you that it's multiples.
Yeah. What are you doing? Trying to cheat?
Because this is two. Oh no. I'm not trying. How can I cheat?
Sit down. Now.
I'm gonna trick the girls and put this in their Easter baskets one time.
Dump them out.
Why do I always get this? It's like my third one.
Get down.
It's dog food.
Is that disgusting?
Okay.
I'm gonna take my whole appetite away. Dietary supplement.
What?
What is that?
Toothpaste gum.
You're cheating. You're actually picking those.
I grabbed a whole pile.
What did
I
you
don't think I
get?
can finish these.
Toothpaste.
Better than nothing.
Is this boiled milk?
Or coconut. Stop! You need to stop because I'm gonna throw up. That's how she feels. She's
Well, stop looking at me!
putting it in her mouth.
You really want to
You guys stop it?
No. I think we should just finish our video. Just end it here. I can't.
So we got through over half the box. These things are bad. Like really bad.
I probably throw up every time.
I can't.
I would go up in the left.
Try
As
it.
you can see,
I
the
ain't
whole
trying.
family
Try one.
is here. My mother-in-law is here, my sister-in-law, my niece, and my brother-in-law. They all decided to just watch us do this video.
I'm your
It was disgusting.
yeah. I'm your niece.
Not only the dog.
I'd rather
it's
eat
canned
butt.
dog food.
Ooh.
Then fresh out the shower butt. Then
You're
what I
just
just ate.
disgusting. You're sick. You're so disgusting.
Matter of fact, even fresh out the gym butt. Then what I just ate right there.
Jesus.
Babe.
What is help?
Alright, guys. Well, this is where we're going to end it. I hope you guys enjoyed us throwing up.
Hey, Ari.
No.
Until the next time.
No.
Love you guys. Bye.